Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have another unboxing video. There's some other videos I need to get to as well. Falling a little behind, but I wanted to get this one unboxed. I've had this for a little bit. This is, pretty sure this is a Casio GA2110 because I have a GM2100 in on loan. And I would like to compare these two to each other, so I'm going to get this one open. I guess I could have done the other video first, but anyway, I don't know, I try to plan things out, but not really sure how I'm planning these things. Just having fun, you know, kind of a hobby here. So let's get this thing out of here. Hopefully this is the right package. Not even sure why I bought this watch. I had one or two of these in already and I sold them. Gotta fix my setup here. Got cords hanging all over the place. Alright, looks like I got the right package here. Let's zoom in. We should have a couple more of these too. Kind of like transparent colored. This one I believe is gray. I didn't realize this would come in a camouflage can though. That's kind of cool. Since 1983, shock resistant. So I guess 2 years from now there'll be a 40th anniversary. Wow, yeah. Okay, so this is the GA2110ET-8A. I thought it was gonna be 2100. I don't know. We'll get into more of that detail for the full presentation. Just somewhat quick unboxing video here today. Yeah, this should be pretty quick. Yeah, it's kind of cool looking. Gray on gray, dark gray with the indices. This should be the backlight. Oh yeah, right there it says light, start, mode, and adjust. World time, stopwatch, timer, alarm, then back to, I think I can show time. Why doesn't it show the, okay, there we go. Nope. I guess it shows the date. I thought it would show the time there too. It's been a while since I had one of these. There we go. Okay, yep. That looks like it's an hour off. It's really almost 9:30. Anyway, let me get this on rest and then we'll close out the video. The other one I had a metal keeper. This has a plastic. Yeah, that's plastic keeper. Yep, it is Monday. Let's tuck this in. Need to tighten it a little bit more. Maybe not. I don't know how long I'll keep this one for. Not exactly sure why I bought it. I mean, I like them. They're just not my favorite. Yeah, I still haven't fixed this one, but I used to wear this all the time. I need to find the spring bar for it and put it back together. But I really like the squares on a combi. Well, at least I did. My arm is finally healed up somewhat. Just have a little bit of a scar there, I guess. Maybe they'll be there forever. That's I tripped and fell, and I guess my watch broke the fall, but the spring bar broke anyway. But anyway, that's a story for another day. There's this watch. And then let me zoom out, and then we'll close out the video. I guess it looks alright on my wrist. Maybe a little big. Alright, well that will conclude this unboxing video. As always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching. And if you have not subscribed already, please go ahead and do so. Ring the bell, like the video, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of this watch. I haven't even checked, are they still that hard to get a hold of like they were when they first came out? I don't even know. But alright, that will do it. Talk to you guys soon.